So how do you export a WhatsApp chat from an Android phone? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So essentially what you have to do is to select the chat which you have within WhatsApp, like open up the conversation like that, make it show up in full screen, and then proceed by tapping on the three dots button in the top right for more options. You click on that, more things are going to appear, but even from the more, you have to click on more again, and another set of options shows up, and one of them is most definitely the export chat button. So you can click on that, and it will show you like the file of the chat being exported. You then have to decide where you're going to save it. So you can save it to the Google Drive or just share it somewhere right away, but that's not really important because the whole point is to export it that way. And now you can save it wherever you decide, right? So you can, I don't know, just share it over the Google Drive, which I believe is likely going to be the best way to do it. So yeah, let me know what you think about it. I really hope that I could help you out with it. Of course, you can check out the Google Drive folder right away to see if, you know, the WhatsApp chat is going to be right away in here. So you can literally just open it like that and you should be able to see it, right? So yeah, depends on what exactly is there, but that's how you can open it up. So yeah, that's going to be about it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.